guys will see the next game. In this game, I need two winners. First and second. Okay, kids? Let's forward. Can you please arrange this chair? Okay, everybody understand? Clear? Okay, when you hear the music, you need to dance around the chair together with the transformer. For this one, maybe they can join together with their mom. Okay, everybody stand up. Transformer dance with them. Everybody